Hello, hi, and welcome back, my dear friends, on my channel. I hope all of you are doing fine. So many best wishes and prayers for all of you. And my dear friends, in this video, I am showing you very beautiful collection of fabric and crochet, or you may say crochet on fabric dress collection. And this is very popular. So many people love to wear, especially this kind of dressing is very popular in women, and it looks so stylish. All you need is a fabric and to do crochet on it and make your beautiful dresses. And either you can do it on the sleeves, on the borders, on your necklines, and even you can make crochet flowers of mini sizes or a little big sizes, and you can add these crochet flowers on your fabric and make it so elegant and stylish. And along with that, if you want to wear it in some different ways, you can even make some crochet laces, or you can even buy some crochet laces and add them to your dresses wherever you want. For example, you can add these on the waistline, add this on the border, on the lower side. Even you can add these to the bottoms of your dresses, wherever you want, on the sleeves, on the necklines, anywhere you want. And this would make your dress look so elegant, so stylish and different from others. So you can see in this video very beautiful designs and very stylish. And I hope if you are trying to make some dress for you and you do not have enough time to do crochet for a long time, then these ideas are surely going to be helpful for you, because you do not need to crochet for your long periods of days. You just have to crochet 1 or 2 days, and you have to make for the sleeves or the neckline or for the border where you want. Even you can add at your sleeves and your neckline along with the border, all the three sides made of crochet, and your dress would be so stylish along with fabric. You can see this black one is so beautiful fabric with crochet laces. These kind of laces and crochet work actually makes the dresses look so prominent and elegant. Along with that, my dear friends, there is also another thing that we keep thinking about, the color schemes that are in trend, or sometime we think that which color we should take for its combination, which color we should take for the contrast of this color. So there are also ideas for your color schemes. And along with that, today I am discussing with you that there are so many benefits of doing crochet. So crocheting is actually so good for our health in very beautiful and in very good ways. Even you can't think of this, that crocheting is relaxing actually. Crocheting is the thing that gives you a kind of relaxation, peace of mind, and a core reason that many of us crochet is because it helps us to relax. And one of the reasons crochet is so relaxing is because it allows us to achieve mindfulness, the state of being in which we are fully immersed in the present moment. So there are so many benefits. I think the people or the women who are doing crochet all the time, or they are madly in love with this, they might know the benefits, and perhaps this is the reason that they always keep crocheting. And even if they go somewhere, they have their crochet kits and all the things in their hands or in their cart, so that they can reach to it whenever they want without any hurdles. So it is just because it gives peace, because when something gives us pleasure, when something gives us relaxation and peace, we surely go for these things. And when we talk about more about mindfulness, then mindfulness was originally an Eastern spiritual concept, but has become widely used by psychologists and other professionals in the Western world. So its popularity is due to the fact that it's widely helpful for people and dealing with a diverse array of situations, ranging from everyday stress to chronic debilitating illness. So it is relaxing, as well as crochet gives you very artistic pieces that you create. So mindfulness just means that you let go all of your worries, judgments and fears, and focus on the fact that you are okay right here, right now, in the present moment. So how beautiful it is that you are doing something. It is indulging you peacefully, your physical activities, as well as your mind is getting relaxed and enjoying the peace of mind. So this state is actually all of us are searching for, because peace is such a wealth that everyone wants to get peace. Because sometimes we see people who are having wealth, who are having riches but they do not have peace. So peace is the real wealth that someone can enjoy in this world. And when we talk about that, why practice mindfulness, it's not healthy for our minds to constantly chase down our thoughts about the past and future. And if doing so often, these things, it creates stress, worry, and anxiety, and this can lead to a stress response in the body that can have any number of physical symptoms, including headaches, muscle pain, fatigue, and high blood pressures too. So if we practice mindfulness, we would be okay, we would be safe from illness. And the brain may also will widely in what is called a cycle of rumination, which can be both a hallmark and an actually exacerbation of mental illness, including depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorder too. So there are so many beautiful crochet steps that can actually lead to mindfulness and peace. The one is that select your favorite crochet hook and a really cozy, easy to work with yarn, because you would be enjoying with your favorite things, and sit comfortably in a quiet space with your work. It would be very good for you. And begin to crochet a foundation chain, one slow loop at a time, and counting each chain as you go. Don't allow yourself to think about anything except creating the chain, and focus on the details of creating the chain. Notice how the yarn feels against your skin, and also pay attention to the details, and so many other things. And I hope your mind will naturally begin to drift to thoughts, and you would be enjoying. And this is also so good. Then take a deep breath after fragging the chain and start over with chain 1 with the new things. I hope, my dear friends, you are enjoying, and if you are enjoying, I request you to please hit like, and if you are here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Take care of yourself.